Alright, let's get it popping. Let's get it over with. Alright, but show it. Show that you're opening it.
It is. Let me
It's
grab
like
it.
black.
Let me grab the napkin, bro.
Alright, but give me the smaller half.
No. This is your idea.
Yeah, so we need to break it in half. Break it in half in front of him. Yeah,
You know what this looks like, guys? Podrido. Rotten.
Grab the other side so you could grab another half.
Looks like broke. So that's your side?
No, that one's mine.
No.
Show them that, yours.
So this is mine.
Oh man.
And show them yours.
It's big, man. It's just in here.
So it's green.
I'm so scared.
So it looks moldy. The chip.
That's what it does look. It looks moldy.
The
Oh
chip
my
is
god, this is not gonna be good.
the chip is brown, guys. Just so you know, the chip is brown. Go already.
It's so nasty.
Is that only half? I told him I get the smaller one because he told me to do it. So he forced me, and since he forced me, I get the smaller piece.
Oh man, I think
They said lick it first.
I think I regret this.
What are you doing?
I'm ending.
Oh, ha! He got you guys. Sprinkle some salt on it. I think I'm gonna taste it first. I'm gonna lick it first. Don't lick it? Why?
I'm not licking it. Nah, I'm going.
Why, Russell?
I'm not taking the whole chip. I'm just biting in one chip and that's it.
Don't touch your face. No, I haven't touched the chip. So don't worry about it.
Okay, alright. Ready?
No.
Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna open this.
Get the blue thing.
What blue thing?
The blue thing.
Go.
You're gonna use that out here?
Let's go. You ready?
No.
Let's go. Oh, you're dumb.
Oh shit.
Oh, it tastes like crap. My throat. Oh. You lost. You lost. I keep my 60. Oh my god. Oh my god, it just keeps getting hotter.
My teeth wanna fall out of my mouth.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh, I can't. My nose. The back of my tongue. Oh. That's the worst idea ever.
What?
Oh, that's bad. Oh.
I need more, please.
Hello, ¿cómo están?
Bien.
Yeah, yeah.
Mira, que tenía ahí unos pañitos. Como yo sé que ustedes tienen unos pañitos, pero si lo querían, que le voy a dar unos cuantos.
Oh,